What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jeremy Harris, Concealed Window Tinting. We got a 2007 Lexus IS 250 in the shop today. This car had originally been stripped. Obviously, it's done now. It had originally been tinted once before, and someone else had removed the film. Unfortunately, and this happens a lot, when you have someone remove the film that's not going to be the one installing the film, there's going to be glue and stuff left behind. So when I got in here, there was some film left at the bottom. And sadly enough, on these particular cars and a lot of Lexus in general, the space in between the glass and the shelf is so tight, it's really hard to get down in there to adequately clean before you put new film in there. So unfortunately, this particular car, you have to remove the entire back seat in order to get that shelf out, in which, even though it's already done, I'm gonna give you a quick rundown on how to remove the back seat in the event you are in a position where you need to get down there and clean. The first thing you do, and it's probably the easiest thing, is in the center section of this seat, you're going to reach underneath. There's actually a clip under the bottom, and when you pull up, it just unlatches. So with a little force, and literally just smack it back down. But there's two of them. There's one in the front of this, and one in the front of that, always in the center, pretty much on every car. The back seat, the way these are made, the top portion of the seat hooks. So there's four 14 millimeter bolts at the bottom. You're going to take one off under here, two in the middle, one in that far corner, and then you're going to have to pull up on the back of the seat to unhook it and pull it forward. A lot of times you just assume that it's snapped in and you're gonna yank your little heart out and it will never come loose. If you don't push up on the seat and pull forward, it will give you more trouble than you're probably willing to do. After that, these pillars in here pop out and then the shelf pops up and you unplug the brake light. It's not that difficult. I've done many of them. The first time you get in a luxury car, they make it look like it's impossible to take apart, but it's actually not that bad. So remember, two clips in the front of the seat, four bolts at the bottom, the back of the seat hooks, the pillars come out, the shelf pops up, pull it out, and unplug the brake light. I hope that helps.
Scared money don't make money, stop acting timid. Cause closed mouths don't get fed, you gotta get it. I'm on the grind, hard work really pays off. Until the day it does, I ain't taking no days off. I'm never stopping, you know I'ma stay committed. I go and get it all the time, I'm never gonna waste a minute. I go and get it, I'm never quitting, you know I'm in it to win it. When it's all said and done, I'ma be the realest that did it.